Hey guys, this is Shikha back again for my beautiful people. Guys, today I'm going to quickly discuss about something which is going to save a lot of your money. Why is it every time important to pick up a scale and measure what amount of food do I need? That becomes annoying after some time. You get pissed off. Do something which is sustainable so that you enjoy your meal also. एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखना, जब भी आप अपनी plate ready कर रहे हो, it should have everything: carbs, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. अब carbs कितने? Just cup your hand. Okay, this much amount of carb you need. किसी के बड़े हाथ हैं, किसी के छोटे हाथ हैं. That decides your body size decides with the cup size of your hands. So this much of carbs. रोटी का size भी इतना होना चाहिए. 1.5 depends upon what is your plan. Okay, at least that much you have to decide. मुझे weight बढ़ाना है या weight कम करना है. 1.5 is sufficient enough. Don't overeat, don't undereat. Carbs के different sources होते हैं. Rice, roti, millet, sweet potato, oats, poha, dalia, corn, quinoa. One very important thing which you have to remember: carbs should always be eaten with proteins mixture. Just having mama maine ek katori dal khali and I'm done with it, it's not going to be helpful. Carbs and proteins together give the maximum energy and specific nutrients. That is a complete meal. So always try to include both of them. And then proteins के different sources है. There are pulses, dals, black chanas, chickpeas, rajma, moong, masoor, tur dal, soybean, tofu, peanuts. There are different sources. Fats के लिए आप एक चम्मच अपनी रोटी के ऊपर लगा दो. जब मन चाहेगा चिप्स खा लोगे, but when it is important for that chapati ghee, you will avoid it. So don't do that. Something which is visible, और जो चिप्स के अंदर इतना सारा घी है वो दिखता नहीं है. So don't do that, guys. घी, कच्चा घी, which is not you don't fry it. That is very important. वो सिंपल कच्चा घी आप रोटी के ऊपर लगा लेते हो and that helps lubrication. Vitamins and minerals के लिए that जो हमारा dry stuff होता है, it becomes little watery. That has sufficient amount of water which is very important for digestion. What I do, onion tomatoes को chop कर लो, cilantro डाल लो, उसके अंदर curry leaves, पुदीना. You can and always do different kind of alterations. Put lemon along with it. So all these that enhances your vitamin C levels. ये सिंपल थिंग्स हैं जो आपके मील को टेस्टी और स्मार्ट इनफ एंड हेल्दी एंड एनर्जी ये सारी चीज़ें देते हैं. सो you don't need to follow specific plans to decide what you have to eat. प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइजिंग करते रहो. हफ्ते में 3-4 दिन भी करोगे सफिशिएंट इनफ. अर्ली टू बेड, अर्ली टू राइज मेक्स अ मैन हेल्दी वेल्दी एंड वाइज. मुझे पता है आजकल के बच्चे ये सब चीज़ें बिल्कुल नहीं मानते हैं, बट मैक्स टू मैक्स 11th तक सो जाओ भाई, सारी PCOD PCOS सारी प्रॉब्लम्स दूर हो जाएंगी.